Wellcode, CLI AI, is an exciting new tool that's making waves in the world of AI-driven software. If you're looking for a powerful, easy-to-use platform that can seriously elevate your business, then stick around because we're diving into 7 crucial things you need to know about this game-changing software. First off, Wellcode CLI AI is designed for users who want to automate, optimize, and streamline their workflows. Whether you're a marketer, developer, or entrepreneur, this software promises to simplify complex tasks, saving you time and money. You can even try it out completely free using the first link in the description below. And trust me, you're going to want to check this out. Now, one of the standout features of Wellcode CLI AI is its command line interface. It allows you to interact with the software through simple text-based commands, which might sound basic, but it actually gives you a huge amount of control and flexibility over your tasks. Unlike other AI tools that can feel a bit bloated with unnecessary features, Wellcode CLI AI focuses on getting things done quickly and efficiently. What makes Wellcode CLI AI even more powerful is its integration capabilities. This is a huge selling point if you use other tools like CRMs, analytics platforms, or marketing automation software. Wellcode CLI AI can seamlessly integrate with these platforms, letting you automate repetitive tasks and centralize your operations. If you're all about increasing efficiency, this is a tool you won't want to overlook. Another key thing to note is its simplicity. A lot of AI software can be intimidating, especially if you're new to the space. But Wellcode CLI AI is designed with ease of use in mind. Even though it's incredibly powerful, you don't need to be a tech expert to get started. Its intuitive command structure makes it accessible to anyone, regardless of technical background. Wellcode CLI AI also supports a wide range of programming languages. Whether you're using Python, JavaScript, or Ruby, it can handle a variety of scripts and processes. This flexibility makes it an excellent choice for developers who want to integrate AI into their existing projects without the steep learning curve of other AI tools. What's truly impressive is its speed. We've all used software that feels slow or clunky, especially when handling large amounts of data. With Wellcode CLI AI, the speed at which it processes tasks is incredible, allowing you to move through your projects without delays. It's one of the reasons why I'm so excited about this software. It's fast, efficient, and reliable. Now, I know you're wondering how Wellcode CLI AI compares to other AI software out there. Well, after testing thousands of AI tools myself, I can tell you that this one is a serious contender. It doesn't have the fluff that so many other software platforms pile on. It's focused, direct, and gets the job done without any unnecessary distractions. Before we wrap up, remember that you can try Wellcode CLI AI for free through the link in the description below. I've tested a lot of AI software, but Wellcode CLI AI stands out as a no-nonsense, highly effective tool that can help you level up your business. If you're interested in other powerful AI tools, be sure to check out the recommended ones in the description. After trying so many, these are the ones I trust and highly recommend. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next review.